What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. And in this channel I'm gonna teach you about the social media. If you don't know how to use the Facebook, YouTube and the TikTok, whatever the things I know, I learn about the social media, I'm gonna share through this channel. Alright guys, if your Facebook page is monetized and if you're having issues while updating your tax info, let me teach you how to do that. Just have a look guys. Okay guys, so let's go to the Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and click the see dashboard. Once you click the see dashboard, you will see these options. So go to the payouts. Once you click the payouts, you will see that update the tax info. Click that. So the next you'll find this option. But once you click the add tax info, it's not working. It's just buffering only. Okay. So guys, the best thing, just open your Facebook in your laptop and go to your page. Okay, click the personal dashboard. Once you click that personal dashboard, you will find the payouts on the bottom. Yeah, you can scroll it and you will see there is a payouts. Just scroll it down little bit. Once you scroll it down, you can find all the options there. Yeah, you can see the payouts there, right? So just click the payouts. So the next page will be like this. You can see the update the tax info to start earning. Okay, just the option is there. Just click that update tax info. Okay guys, so the next page will be like this. So you can update everything from here. So you can update your payout method, you can update your tax information. So recently I updated my tax info, so it still is in pending. So it will take, I think, most probably 2 or 4 days. So I think it's best way to use your laptop to update your tax info. All right, so in the mobile versions the tax info is not working. It is just buffering only, but it's taking time. So guys, I hope this video helped you to fix your tax info. So please do subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, stay blessed, take care, cheers.